Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for how to index your website for the Google Search Console and Bing Search Console purpose. If any one website, you're making any update or any upload your content, latest one, first of all, check this content. It is available Google or not, first you can check it. How to check? Control URL. The Google will be storing your particular website. That mean by index your particular website. When I selecting this all option, copy the URL, paste it. It is not showing on Google. So how to show on Google a particular option? That is called Google Search Engine Purpose, Google Search Console, Bing Search Engine Purpose, Bing Webmaster. Bing Search Engine Purpose, bing.com we can go with. Click here. The link will be not appear in your particular things. The YouTube link appear. I can open for the Twitter link. In this purpose, there is option name is the URL inspection. Here, what are the errors you will be occur? That all errors will be shown to the particular option. The option will be visible by the particular Bing Webmaster. Select your inspect. This will be URL can't appear in your Bing. That mean by the showing for error, not discovered. URL cannot appear on Bing. Requesting to index, submit. Per day, we can submit it for 100 links. But Search Console no limit. This will be particular limit is there. So that is a requesting will be here. Submit. Done. After this one, click for live URL option. What are the errors? Title too long. How to fix? Here is that this page have title length greater than 70 characters. Don't exceed by the more than 70 characters. And the title too long, it may be truncated or ignoring by the search engine, keep it relevant or not too long. How to fix? Change the title length will be less than 70 characters. So that will be copy, notepad. This will be complete for 76 characters. Rundown are the other in the episode. So we can writing for will be episode wise. This is the content. So that is the we can only follow by extension will be here 32 characters, but we will be using for less than 30 is better for adding for particular characters. So that is the depend on your content. We don't skip by any options. So here two issues will be here. URL can be indexed by the Bing option. Index will be start by the anytime. So what are the errors will be occur? Everything will be here. Meta description too long and too shorts. Then will be search engine crawl should be first 150 to 160 characters. So coming to this one, we can selecting for admin panel. This error can't visible by the Bing search engine. How it is visible by Bing search engine? They can't visible by the Google search. But Bing search engine compulsory follow the instructions how you can index in the particular web page. Request index option compulsory mandatory. The request indexing, when you are going time, don't click any button option. Don't click any button option. If you click the any button option, it will be affected by the indexing process. So here, where is that? Description. It is only for 87 characters. Minimum required for the 100 characters. Web series. Anything. And parallelly, any option will be added in a description part. You can check it out. So in here also will be here. So already we can add the characters in this. So that is the reason they will exceed by the more than 160 characters. It will be 189 characters. Why? Because here already adding for description, latest Telugu movie news, Tollywood news, cinema news. Number of options are here in the particular platform. So that is the reason the exceed will be 160 characters. So that is called the show will be error. So compulsory change description, meta description, source will be between 25 into 160 character length about the Bing Webmaster. This two error, nothing will be worry about that one. If anything will be URL, if you question mark anything, that is a worry one. This is not worry about the particular link, these two errors. Too long, too short. Based on the URL, we can follow the instructions. So this is the SEO wise, but you can clarify the, but we can sometimes we can go will be extension will be possible. That will be, we can't escape by these options. This is a common error from the Bing Webmaster. Google search one, it is done. Click first for next type live URL. Once it is done, both Bing and Google Search Console, immediately your website will be clicked for Control F5 will be 2 to 3 times. That is called multi-refresher. Control F5. So we can refreshing your web page. That is a crawling and here. Once it is crawling, the page will be any ads. They're visible by the particular users. Once is refresh your page. And indexing purpose, you can follow the condition will be share the social media platforms. So that is the, here is the option. Refresh it. So you can go with the refresh option. It is done. URL is available on Google. After this one, you can share on the Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, anything you can share by the social media platforms. Simple. Copy. The social network will be here. We can using for Facebook related page. Just sharing here. Check this. Select your page option. T and click files. Which is relevant page? Page was selected and upload your content, particular page option. So this is the method you can follow by the a particular things. So one is called Google Search Console. Second will be Bing Webmaster. The per day how many links will be depend on your particular option. Search performance, everything you can calculate will be here. So daily index will be compulsory important. That will be show your particular results. Site Explorer, site map, everything will be now. Index now option. How many will be indexing will be here at one. So everything will be, this will be your inspection. This will be your inspection. Here is the any mobile issues, everything they will be visible by A option is that. So that is all availability here. This is mobile usability issues. So these all will be indexed on your website for the Google and Bing Search Console purpose. So any question about that, any search engine will be problem or indexing, that is called, you can compulsory, you can check these errors and send to me on your WhatsApp or through email. I'll checking and get back to your particular error. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.